Ladies and gentlemen, this is welcome to Forex Success Club Trading with Dwayne Mooney. And I want to show you, I've been telling you that I have a managed Forex account for people to get into. Because a lot of people just won't trade. I'm not one of those people. I love trading, but I have my own style. I trade from the 4-hour chart and the day chart. The managed account people, they scalp. I don't scalp. That means they trade the 5-minute, 15-minute chart, etc. So I'm more of a set it and leave it trader. I just want to give you an example of what I do. I am in 4 trades. I'm in a Euro, Swiss, Australian, Japanese. Now I got in these trades last night. And I meant to get into 2 Euro, Swiss, and 2 Australian, Japanese. But I was a little sleepy. So I ended up getting in 3 Euro, Swiss, and 1 Australian, Japanese. That was sleep. So you can't trade sleepy, but this is how good I am. Even when I'm halfway asleep, and pressing the wrong buttons, I'm still making money. That's $136 so far. Oops, did I just get rid of a trade? I think I just closed a trade, but this is a practice account. I'm not showing you my real account anyway. So my real account is still going, because I do them on both. Now, so I'm in 3 trades. I was going to close a position anyway, so that's cool. And that's how you close. I don't know how that clicked and did that, but the way I close a position is I'll double click and I just click close, right? Take some profit off the table, right? Let's do it again. Let's see if I'm in it. I don't want to close it yet. Looks like it closed 2 positions. Real weird what this is doing. Looks like I'm only in 2 positions. Now, yeah. So it closed 2 positions. I don't know what happened. Okay, that's cool. I closed 2 positions. Now, if you can see, look at this. I got in, I usually don't do it. I was looking at that 1-hour chart and I got in where this red line is, where I should have waited and got in above here, somewhere around here. But I put a pending order in this area, when I really should have put a pending order in this area, right here, because that's the resistance area. See? 1, 2, 3. It just far exceeded that, but it came back down. So I'm still in profit. The Australian, US, and that's because I was being lazy. But there's Australian, Japanese. Let's go to that. I don't even have the Australian, Japanese up. So let's get it up. Chart window. Okay, that's Australia. See, this was a better trade. Let's change it to candlestick. Change it to candlestick. See, now, I should be getting out of this trade. Look at this. I got in this trade at this area, sell. Better position around this area. Again, I should have got in there better than that, but I was being lazy. I got in about this area. Caught it, just rolled down, and I'm making money. I'm making money. Now it looks like the trend on the hour chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. because the hour chart is telling me I should be getting out. What's the 4-hour chart? See, the 4-hour chart is telling me to stay in. I want to get out around this area. Here. Let it come down to here. That's what I'm really looking for. I want to come down to here. Because this is the trading zone. Here, on the 4-hour chart. So I'm making money. 82.28 around this area. Got in. Yeah, it was perfect area to get in. Because it went up to 82.35. I got in at 82.28. Good price. I think I could have got in at a better price with the Euro Swiss. But it's all right. Let's look at the 4-hour chart on the Euro Swiss. Again, how did I know it was going to go? How did I know it was going to go? Oh, look. You see, it came down here. Trend is down. And then it retracted up. And this is the area. Look. This is the resistance area. 1, 2, 3. Passed it a little bit, but it came back down up under it. Okay? This is the trading zone right here. So I expect it to come back down here. Okay? Even though it's retracting up a little bit, I'm not really paying attention to that. I believe it's going to come down. Okay? Because look at what it's done. This is the example. This is the example. Here's the example. Here's the example. So I'm waiting for it to come back down. Now, of course, I can 82. It's 28 pips. 82.28. 82.20. I can modify the position and move the stop loss to 82.24. Okay, that means I'm in profit no matter what. It's at 82.97 now. Here's the 82.99. So I'm in profit. So if it retracts up, it'll take me out of in profit. Okay, I'm cool. Again, I would have sold half of it, but I'm not. I only have one trade, so I'm cool. I'm cool. I sold 2 of my Euro Swisses, so I'm cool. Now I'm going to, this one is at 1.1331, 1.3112. I'll do this one break even. $1.1330. 113. Oops, what happened? 1. That's what happened. 113.30. So a couple of micro points up underneath. That's because it's only 31, 20, 19, 18 pips from 13, 31, only 18 pips. So got that break even for the Euro Swiss, this one here. Okay, but it looks like it's coming down too. Okay, let's keep coming down. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. on this one too. Let's put the candlesticks up. I can go here and put the candlesticks up too. See, if I do that, create that, I want candlesticks. Candlesticks. It's coming down. See, that's coming down. I got it at a good price here. It's coming down. Still coming down. I think if I open it up, the price that I want to get out is down here in this area. Right here. However, this may be a good time to get out because it looks like it's going back up. So it's good that I got out of those trades. Let me get out of that one too. Boom. Period. So I'm just in the Australian Japanese is left. But I'm making money. I'm making money. It looks like it's headed back up because it looks like right here, that's a support area now, new support area. So it's really time for me to just go in and close that position. Looks like a new support area because it's very choppy. You don't know what the trend, oh, the trend is down. Boom, but look, see this area is a support area. So this is a support area here. So I think it's done. I think it's done. But I'll wait before I'll get into a buy position. I'll put my buy position here if I wanted to play with this trade. I'm not too familiar with the Euro Swiss. I don't trade it a lot. So let's look at the day chart. Yeah, see, it's done. It's done. It's done. It's about to go up. That is the natural support right here. It's about to go up. I may put a pending order right in this area. If I was going to trade, I would put a pending order in this area at 1.1299, somewhere around there. Where's the price? So yeah. So, but good trade. Anyway, I'll look at that later. I'm going to trade, but I think I can see some better trades maybe coming along. Oh, that's a good one. Should have caught that earlier. Should have caught that US Japanese right here coming down. I thought I had a pending order. Maybe in my real account I did. But I knew it. See that? You could tell this is a resistance. This is a resistance area. So that would have been good to have a pending order at 113.63. You would have been up 13 pips. But I was resting. I really wasn't paying attention, but I should have put a pending order in. But I didn't. But that's where I would have liked to have caught it. Now this is this looks like it's an engulfing candle. That means this candle is bigger than this candle. And some people will get in the next 4-hour candle. Because this looks like this is going to be engulfing. I like to catch it right here. Coming off of resistance. Put a pending order right there and just ride it and catch all those pips all the way back down to this area. Okay, so it looks like anything dealing with the US dollar is on its way down. Yep, that peaked here, came down here, this area, which I had a line. I thought this was the resistance, but I didn't get in the trade because I wasn't sure. Because why I'm not sure? Because the trend is going